One nation, four countries. When most people think of the United Kingdom, they think of famous landmarks like Big Ben, London Bridge and Buckingham Palace, or Stonehenge, red double-decker buses and Shakespeare's birthplace. These things are English. However, the UK is much more than England. Queen Elizabeth II is the Queen of England, but she's also the Queen of the United Kingdom. Other things the countries of the UK's share are driving on the left, fish and chips, the British pound and, of course, the English language. The United Kingdom consists of four countries: England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. You may also have heard of Great Britain. Great Britain is the three countries, England, Scotland and Wales. If you look at the map, you will see that they form one island. The UK, on the other hand, is made up of Great Britain and Northern Ireland on the island of Ireland. Each of the countries in the United Kingdom is unique. Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland all have their own versions of Celtic languages in addition to distinct accents when they speak English. They have their own histories, cultures, food and traditions. Separately, the people of the UK are English, Scottish, Welsh and Northern Irish. Together they are British. Don't insult someone from Scotland, Wales or Northern Ireland by calling them English.